Hey guys, so I'm back with a little makeup tutorial. Right now, I'm just gonna do a simple makeup look. I might do eyeliner, so we'll see. So I'm just gonna jump right in, get my makeup started. I'm gonna start off with moisturizer. This is the one I use. It's Secret Sauce. So I'm just gonna put this all over my face. Okay, this is my hair before I take it out. But yeah, it's gonna look, once I take it out, it'll look beautiful. Okay? Okay, so I just looked everywhere for my eyebrow stuff and I cannot find it. I can't find it anywhere. So I'm gonna show you how to do brows with just an eyeshadow. Right now I'm gonna use this palette, so the Milani Soft and Sultry. I'm going to use this color right here. This one right here, and I'm gonna do my brows with that. Okay. So I'm gonna start. I'm gonna just go in with this eyeshadow. So to clean out my brows, this is the concealer I'm going to use. Conceal and Hydrate. I'm going to use this brush on my hand and then okay, so now my eyebrows are done. They actually look really good. I like them. Okay, so we're gonna move on to the face. Right now, I'm just gonna put my primer on. So the Baby Skin is my favorite primer. I use it every day when I put my makeup on. So I'm just gonna put this all over the face. Okay, so now that my primer's on, I'm gonna go ahead and go into my foundation. I'm using the same foundation I always use, Conceal and Hydrate from Makeup Revolution. And I'm just gonna put 2 pumps. And then I'm gonna go in with my Morphe sponge. This sponge is it. You need it. Okay, now that my foundation is on, I'm gonna go in with my concealer. I'm gonna use the same concealer, Makeup Revolution, Conceal and Hydrate. Okay, gonna blend it out. Okay, now that that's all blended out, I'm gonna set it. My favorite setting powder, Wet n Wild PhotoFocus. So I'm gonna use this. Okay, now that I have all the setting powder on, I'm gonna go in with this brush, Morphe R2, and I'm just gonna wipe everything off. So wherever I set, I'll just Okay, so now that my face is all set, I'm gonna go in with my contour, and I'm going to be using this one. It's the Kylie bronzing powder in Tequila Tan. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this brush, R10. So I'm gonna just go in. Okay, now I'm gonna go in back in with that same palette, the Milani Soft and Sultry, and I'm gonna use this one just to put some color in my crease, and then I'm gonna put some eyeliner on. Okay, so now I'm going to darken that crease a little with this shade. I went in with this one first, and then now I'm going to go with this one. So I'm going with the same brush. So I'm just going to go in with a flat brush. This is Morphe R42. And I'm going to go in with this matte shade right here. Okay, perfect. So now I'm ready to do my eyeliner. The eyeliner I'm going to be using is this one by Essence. It's called Super Precise Eyeliner. I have a thing about eyeliners. I need them to be matte. I hate when they're shiny. So this one is super matte and it's super affordable at Ulta. So this is the brush. I don't like the pen ones either because I can't do that. Can't work with the pen. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this. See if I could go closer. I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna start off with this eye. Okay, perfect. So I did this side. I'm gonna go do this side now. Beautiful. I haven't done my eyeliner in a very long time. I'm just gonna go put on some eyelashes now, and then I'll be right back. Okay, I'm gonna do my hair, put some eyelashes on, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I took my hair out of the braids, and this is what I did. Okay, now I'm just gonna put lipstick on. Kylie lip liner in Bare. Just gonna put that on. Then I'm going to use the Kylie Velvet in Bare.